Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are doing an updated gel manicure video. My style or technique of my gel manicure has changed since the last time I posted a gel manicure video. So I wanted to go over that with you and also share some exciting news later on in the video, so stay tuned for that. So first things first, we are going to go in with a medium carbide bit and remove the previous gel polish on the client. Now that all the gel polish is removed, you're going to go in with a hand file and file the nails to the shape that the client likes. With the sanding band, we're going to prep the nail plate. This is a medium sanding band on low speed. That's really all you need for this. When working with a natural nail, you definitely don't want to be too aggressive. So low speed, medium sanding band. Coming in with another bit here, this is a diamond bit. It's called a prep bit, a prep diamond bit. We're going to go in with this to kind of get into those corners and sidewalls that we couldn't get to with the sanding band, and also we can use this to exfoliate the fingertips as well. Now we're going to go in with a cuticle nipper to remove the dead tissue on the nails. Switching back to the e-file, we're going to use this ball bit to further exfoliate the fingertip to make sure everything is nice and smooth. Once the nails are prepped, we're going to cleanse the nails, add primer, and then begin the polish application. The first step to that will be the base coat. Once the base coat is on all the nails, you'll cure, and then you'll go in with your color. These last final steps are pretty self-explanatory. You'll go in with your color, you'll apply that, clean up the nail, and then cure, and then you'll go in with your second coat of color, clean the nails if necessary, and then cure, and then you'll go in with your top coat. Okay, now that we've made it this far, it's time for me to make my announcement, and that is I will be hosting a virtual gel manicure workshop via Zoom. In this workshop, I will be going over in detail, in real time, how I do my gel manicures. So if you're a nail technician or nail enthusiast and you're looking to further your skills in an electric file gel manicure, this workshop will be perfect for you. I'm going to leave all the information for the gel manicure workshop in the description box, It'll once you click the link, it'll lead you to Eventbrite, and then Eventbrite has all the information that you'll need for the gel manicure workshop. If you have any questions, of course, feel free to type them in the comment section below as well, and I'll be more than happy to answer that for you. But for now, it's time for me to head out, and I just want to thank you all again for watching and tuning in. I will see you next time. Bye!